Toyota's SmartPath to online retailing. Welcome to this Tuesday edition of First Shift. That story in a moment, but first, your headlines. The UAW strike of General Motors has entered day 2. UAW Vice President Terry Dittis telling Bloomberg News on Monday there are 10 major sticking points that need to be settled. Those include wages for entry-level workers and treatment of temporary staffers. In a statement, GM saying, quote, "Our goal remains to reach an agreement that builds a stronger future for our employees and our business." Negotiations are expected to continue today. Stay with autonews.com for the latest. The U.S. will agree not to raise tariffs on Japanese vehicles as part of a trade deal struck between the two countries. That's according to a Japanese newspaper. In a letter to Congress, President Donald Trump says he intends to enter into agreements with Japan on tariff barriers and digital trade in the coming weeks, but he did not outline details. Reuters reported that Japan would make concessions on agricultural imports from the U.S., while the U.S. would refrain from raising tariffs on Japanese vehicles. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration on Monday proposed allowing automakers to offer a variety of sound choices for electric vehicles and other quiet cars to alert pedestrians. The long-delayed rules require automakers to add sounds to EVs and hybrids when they are moving at speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour to help prevent injuries to pedestrians, cyclists, and the blind. In response to a petition from automakers, NHTSA is proposing to amend its rules to remove the current limitation of one sound per vehicle model. NHTSA required the alerts to be on all quiet vehicles by September 2020. In personnel news, BMW Group executive Markus Duesmann is set to become Audi CEO after BMW dropped its opposition to his early departure. That's according to a German newspaper. Duesmann is expected to take over as Audi CEO next April. He'll replace Bram Schott, who has held the role since January on an interim basis. Audi's parent Volkswagen Group had said in July 2018 that Duesmann would take the job as soon as he's able to do so. Duesmann is an engine development and purchasing expert. And Paul Ingrassia, a Pulitzer Prize-winning auto journalist, has died after battling cancer. He was 69. Ingrassia lived in Naples, Florida, where he was editor and writer at the Revs Institute, an automotive history and research center. Previously, he held leadership roles at the Wall Street Journal, parent Dow Jones, and Reuters. In 1993, Ingrassia won the Pulitzer Prize for beat reporting, along with Wall Street Journal colleague Joe White, for coverage of the boardroom uprising that toppled General Motors CEO Robert Stempel. He wrote several books on the auto industry, including Crash Course, the American automobile industry's road from glory to disaster. Toyota is piloting a program that lets customers complete most of the car buying process online. And the automaker software suite called SmartPath allows consumers to do just that.
What's SmartPath?
It's the easy way to find your next Toyota. Just go online. You can even unlock any specials and estimate payments on the spot. Easy and worry-free. Jelly bean!
As our Larry Velaquette reports, the system enables dealers to promote their new vehicle inventory in real time across their websites, as well as inventory on Toyota.com and regional shopping portal buyatoyota.com. Customers are able to get accurate payment and trade-in estimates online. Then, SmartPath delivers all of the work done at home to the dealership, where a salesperson can pull it up by name on a tablet computer. 6 U.S. stores are piloting the program, and Toyota agreed last month to install SmartPath in a 7th dealership. One of those stores, White River Toyota in White River Junction, Vermont. Toyota's online selling tools enabled several of the sales process reforms pushed by White River's general manager, Jason Quenville. Quenville recalled the initial discussions with Toyota in late 2018.
It was unanimous. Everybody was drooling. This is what we need. This is what we've been waiting for. Why wouldn't we? You have Toyota backing our culture. I mean, it was like, yeah, how fast can we get it?
For example, SmartPath made possible White River's practice of sending personalized video responses to internet sales leads. Toyota expects to expand the program beyond the pilot phase beginning in 2020. Toyota and Lexus retailers nationwide got an in-depth look at SmartPath at their dealer meeting in Las Vegas last week. And that wraps up today's newscast. Remember, Auto News Now has your afternoon update. Take care.